Hello everyone, in this video we will talk about how to speed up B-roll clip in Blender video editing workspace. So this is nothing but a continuity of previous video. Okay, please, if you have not watched, I would request to watch it so that you can follow up with this video. Okay, in last video, right, we did add this B-roll. Okay, I'll just play it and show you what is and how it is playing currently, and then we'll talk about it. So if you see it, that's what B-roll was. So but suppose I want to have this speed increased, okay? I don't want to be added because I want to add more content into this B-roll. So what you can do is that you can speed up this. Actually, right, this B-roll has very long length, okay? So we had trimmed it for only a couple of seconds in previous video, okay? If you haven't watched, please, I would request to watch it again so that you can follow up in this video, okay? We had previously trimmed it, right? So but I don't want we increase the speed so that we can add more content in this B-roll. Okay, so let how to do it, right? So what you have to do is that you have to select a clip. Okay, MP4. I've selected MP4. If you can see it, that icon here, it is showing as MP4 one, and then you can just go here and then go to effect strip. Okay, then you have to click on speed control. Okay, then if you click on speed control, right, there is a new clip comes in. Okay, on channel number 6. Okay, so by default, right, it doesn't do anything. We have to do changes to it. Okay, so what you have to do is, right, there is by default, right, when you click on this, there will be a panel which will come up. Okay, so by default, right, speed control is set to stretch. So but we don't want to have it stretch because it might have some issues while doing with the speed control, right? So I'd recommend to select it as multiply. Okay, once you click on multiply, right, you will see there is a option. Okay, so it will come up how much speed control you want to do it. So let's just do it as 8. Okay, I'll just clip it as 8. Okay, then so let's just enter 8 here. Okay, and then just play this and see how it works. So if you see, right, it has added additional some content to it because we were increasing the speed of this clip, right? So that's what it said. Previously it was till this point only. So if I see it, till this point it was there, but it has added this. So this is how you can speed up a B-roll, okay, in Blender. Thank you for watching.